Sustainable urban development and overview. Definition: sustainable urban development focuses on creating cities that meet present needs without compromising future generations. Key principles: environmental sustainability, social equity, and economic viability. Urban planning. Effective urban planning integrates land use, transportation, and public spaces to foster sustainable living. Green architecture. Incorporating energy-efficient designs and sustainable materials reduces the environmental footprint of buildings. Transportation solutions. Public transit systems, bike lanes, and walkable neighborhoods promote sustainable mobility. Waste management. Implementing recycling programs and composting initiatives minimizes landfill waste and encourages a circular economy. Water conservation techniques like rainwater harvesting and greywater reuse help manage water resources sustainably. Energy efficiency is key. Utilizing renewable energy sources and improving building energy performance are crucial for reducing carbon emissions. Community engagement is vital. Involving residents in the planning process ensures that developments meet local needs and foster a sense of ownership. Green spaces, like parks and urban forests, enhance biodiversity, improve air quality, and provide recreational opportunities. Climate resilience is crucial. Cities must adapt to climate change through strategies like flood management and heat island mitigation. Policy frameworks are essential. Supportive policies at local, national, and international levels are critical for sustainable urban initiatives. Innovative housing solutions, such as co-housing and affordable units, address housing shortages and promote community living. Technology plays a vital role in optimizing resource use and improving urban infrastructure. Integrating nature into urban design helps preserve local ecosystems and enhances quality of life. Economic aspects. Sustainable practices can lead to job creation, economic growth, and enhance local economies. Cultural heritage. Protecting cultural sites and promoting local identity contribute to sustainable urban development. Transportation innovations. Electric vehicles, shared mobility, and improved public transport reduce reliance on fossil fuels. Urban agriculture. Growing food in urban areas enhances food security and promotes local economies. Resilience planning. Cities need to prepare for disasters with adaptive infrastructure and emergency response strategies. Inclusive design. Ensuring accessibility in urban spaces fosters inclusivity and equality. Educational initiatives are essential. Raising awareness about sustainability encourages community involvement and responsible behaviors. Global case studies offer valuable insights. Learning from cities like Copenhagen and Singapore highlights successful sustainable practices. Behavioral change is key. Encouraging residents to adopt sustainable habits is crucial for long-term success. Public health. Designing walkable cities promotes physical activity and improves overall community health. Land use efficiency. Mixed-use developments reduce urban sprawl and promote vibrant communities. Public-private partnerships. Collaborations can enhance funding and innovation for sustainable projects. Disaster preparedness. Cities must incorporate strategies for quick recovery from climate-related events. Impact of digital nomadism. Adapting urban spaces for remote workers can stimulate local economies. Urban heat mitigation. Strategies like urban greenery and reflective materials help combat heat islands. Green infrastructure. Investing in natural systems improves urban resilience and quality of life. Sustainable tourism. Promoting eco-friendly tourism practices minimizes environmental impacts. Stakeholder collaboration. Engaging various stakeholders, including NGOs and community groups, is key to success. Exploring alternative funding models can support sustainable initiatives. Grassroots movements often lead to impactful changes in urban sustainability. Informed citizens can advocate for sustainable policies and practices. Waste-to-energy technologies. Converting waste into energy reduces landfill use and provides renewable energy. The role of art integrating public art fosters community pride and enhances urban spaces. Education for sustainability. Incorporating sustainability into school curricula prepares future generations for challenges. Environmental justice. Ensuring equitable access to resources and opportunities is essential for social sustainability. Data-driven decision-making. Utilizing data analytics helps optimize urban planning and resource allocation. Regional cooperation collaborating across municipalities can address regional sustainability challenges. Developing buildings that produce more energy than they consume is a goal for the future. Promoting shared spaces can enhance community interactions and resource use. Strengthening local food networks supports sustainability and resilience. Retrofitting existing infrastructure is all about updating older buildings and systems to improve energy, efficiency, and sustainability. By making these changes, we can significantly reduce energy consumption and create a more sustainable environment for future generations. Thoughtful design of public areas enhances community interaction and quality of life. Using VR tools can engage communities in the planning process effectively. Sustainable urban development requires foresight and long-term planning strategies. Sustainable urban development is essential for creating livable, resilient, and equitable cities for future generations. If you enjoy my video, kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Study Station.